Hey guys, so today's vlog is going to be more of like a Sunday reset cleaning vlog. I really like watching them when I need to clean. It helps me get a little bit of inspiration or motivation to do it. So yeah, I thought it'd be fun to make. Before we start, let's make some caffeine because yeah. This almond milk is great, and then I made my own coconut creamer as well. Okay, taste test. Really good. Okay, well, let's get started. Welcome to my bathroom. What I really wanted to clean the most was these shelves. Like, there's just products on it that I don't use anymore. I want to go through some stuff, get rid of some stuff, and just like reposition everything. So let's do it. Here's a little view of the after. So I have like deodorant, some skincare products here. I have all my eyeshadow, eyeliner stuff. Second shelf, mascara, makeup, more makeup, and then I have my little perfume shelf. And then I have some hair care, masks, and then skincare up at the top. So yeah, looks much, much better now. Okay, next up, I think we're gonna wash makeup brushes. I used to have like a brush cleaning solution, and now I just use like dish soap. It does the same thing, it's cheap, everyone has it in their house, apartment, whatever. So that's what I use. My sink is so short, and I'm like pretty tall, so I'm just like bent over so uncomfortably to do this, but that's okay. And here are all of my brushes, nice and clean. I'll probably just have to let them sit out overnight to dry, but yay. Okay, I think we're good with brush cleaning, and now we're gonna go through my lip products because I have like so many of them. These are not all of my lip products, but it's a good amount of them, and we're gonna go through them. I just love lip products, you know? I have so many, just like in the exact same shade. You know? Like a lot of these are like in the exact same color family. So I'm like, I have to get rid of like one of them. Okay, improvement. I'm getting rid of these two. I'm really sad to get rid of this Fenty one, but I do have one that's like very similar, and I've had this one a long time, so bye. Okay, that was pretty good. Let's move on to a different section of the apartment. That's the good thing about having like a really small apartment. It's one of the pros is that cleaning it is like way shorter than it would be otherwise, so gotta look on the bright side. Okay, next up, I've really been wanting to clean underneath my sink and just like organize it, so we're gonna do that now. Okay, next up, gonna take care of some dishes that are in the sink. I'm gonna empty this out, and then once all of that is done, I'm gonna clean like the whole sink area. Done. I am sweating. That was really hard. It wasn't hard, but it was just like lots of scrubbing. But it paid off. It looks very nice. So, yay. Okay, now I'll just do like a little wipe down of the stove and stuff. I never really use this burner, so I'm not gonna like deep scrub it. Okay, the last little bit of cleaning I'm gonna do today is just some laundry and like organizing my closet and stuff. Don't say anything about this. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this cleaning vlog. I hope it gave you some inspiration or motivation. It's a good Sunday reset. I always feel so much better after I do it. And yeah, leave any comments, questions below. Tell me if you liked the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.